After-work side hustles that can earn up to $1,000 per week. Passive Income Ideas 2023. Money. Who wouldn't benefit from having a bit more of it? A little extra cash may go a long way, whether you are setting aside funds for a rainy day, paying off debt, organizing a wedding, or saving for a down payment. Perhaps your daily work will assist you to cover the costs of living. The game changer, though, is a home-based side business that will increase your income and grant you the independence you have always desired. So guys, stick with me as I take you through some side hustles that can earn you an extra $1,000 every week. You can start by taking a voiceover gig. You should definitely get compensated to use your voice if you enjoy the way it sounds. That's where doing voiceover and audiobook narrations work as a side gig might be useful. When you learn more about it, you'll discover that all you have to do to start landing jobs is create a profile on websites like Voices.com or ACX and record an audio clip of yourself pretending to narrate a commercial or read a page from a book. If you scheduled your weeknights for 3-hour audiobook narration sessions, you might make $300 per session and make more than $1,000 per week. A qualified voice actor can earn up to $10,000 for a single national TV ad, according to Voices.com. Even though voiceover work and pay vary, start a dropshipping business. One of the best suggestions for a side business is dropshipping. Without buying any inventory, you can sell a product directly to the buyer. What does that rock? Your risk is minimized because you don't need to have a large budget for initial costs. The manufacturer not only keeps the stock but also sends it on your behalf directly to the consumer. Marketing and customer service, which are the lifeblood of any company, should be your primary priorities. This is the side business for you if you have experience in marketing and want something that leverages your skills. One of the uncommon side gigs that lets you satisfy a genuine business desire is this one. You get to run your own company as the owner. You can launch a business around any of your favorite passions through dropshipping allows for the pursuit of virtually any specialization. Additionally, if you have a creative mind, you may come up with all kinds of original company concepts. After all, you'll always have the final word as the proprietor of your firm, which makes this a fantastic side gig to start with. So, how much money can a dropshipper make? Well, that depends on how much effort you put into your business and marketing. You can make an extra couple $1,000s or more. Rent out your personal items or space. Renting things you do not need out is one of the easiest ways to make an extra $500 a month. It's likely that you possess a lot of items that you don't exactly use but are hard to part with. If you rent them out, you won't actually lose any money. For instance, if you own a car that is rarely used, you can rent it out and earn extra cash. You can list your vehicle for hire in some cities using apps like Turo, Hire a Car, and Haggerty Drive Share. Think of these services as being like an Airbnb, but with your car. Renting your car out might be one of the best side businesses for you in your situations if you don't need to use it all the time. The amount you'll make renting out your vehicle according to Turo depends on the value of the car. For instance, a vehicle valued at $12,500 with loan payments of $2,519 per year could earn you $7,000 annually, which is $583 monthly. But if your car is fully paid for, you'll earn more. Aside from that, you might want to think about putting your house or extra room on Airbnb if you like the notions of real estate investing but don't want it to be rented out for years on end. As an alternative to hotels, millions of people reserve Airbnb. Moreover, listing a full property is not necessary for your side business to succeed on Airbnb. A lot of homeowners decide to offer sections of their house or even just one spare room. As a side hustle, you can earn over $500 extra every month by listing real estate on Airbnb. In addition, if there is an occupied space on your property, you might be able to rent it out to increase your income. Neighbor is a unique online marketplace that connects homeowners with extra space in their garages, attics, basements, and driveways with renters looking for reasonably priced storage. Starting is easy. Just install the app and then take a few photos of your property. Set the pricing after you have added the photographs to the app. You can advise your spacious yard as a place for RV parking using applications like Neighbor and Spacer. The possibility of making more than $1,000 a month is feasible, which helps to offset the cost of your mortgage or other expenses. Additionally, if you own a pool, you can use it as well. You may rent out your backyard pool using the Swimply app. And just in case you have a yacht that's sitting around and collecting dust, don't worry! There are sublet services like Jetly and BoatSetter specifically for boats. Promote other brands instead with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the best side hustles ideas to think about if you are short on time and brain power but yet inquisitive about starting one. Affiliates use special links or discount codes to promote their favorite products and services. This is affiliate marketing in a nutshell. If you have ever listened to a podcast episode and heard the host announce a discount code during a commercial, affiliate marketing can be a one-time compensation or a recurring monthly payout depending on the terms and conditions of the agreement, and commissions can vary greatly differently. Affiliate links could be one of the best side hustles for making additional money each month if you are looking for a side business idea that doesn't require you to supply a good or service. Become a tutor. As long as you know something, there will be people willing to pay to learn it. Use any particular knowledge you may have to your advantage. According to data reporting company Statista, the online training and education market was worth $243 billion in 2022. You can make good money as a side hustle coaching or consulting individuals online if you have knowledge or experience in a particular field. What's exciting is that you can take skills you already have and coach others. If you enjoy problem solving and dealing with people, online coaching can be a fantastic fit. Running a side business as an online coach requires no expense, and you can charge by the hour or monthly to create recurring income. If you want a more flexible side hustles and know a lot about a certain subject, high school or college tutoring. Through internet channels like Nextdoor, Facebook pages for the school, and Instagram advertising, find long-term clients that will often work with you regularly throughout the semester. Finding out the dates of each course's exams will allow you to tape an advertisement to the classroom door at an appropriate time. Given the high demand for qualified tutors, you can charge at least $50 per hour, and you can spend 1 to 10 hours per week depending on whether an exam is approaching. Become a freelancer. Freelance work is a great side hustle, and companies are almost always looking for skilled labor to help them get things done. Writing articles, social media posts, newsletters, and blogs are a few examples of freelancing jobs. The average monthly income of full-time freelancer writers in the US is about $5,000. You can still make $1,000 since it's a side gig for you. You can also manage people's social media accounts, email lists, digital marketing, and websites. Or even still, you can have a fractional remote job where you are not an employee but are accessible for advice and concerns throughout the month. More like a part-time employee. Having a side business is fun and a fantastic way to increase your monthly income. Do your study and give each potential side business some thought. Then decide which side gig best suits your lifestyle and goals. With any of these ways, you should be able to make $1,000 comfortably per week. Okay guys, that's all for today. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more. For now, bye.